Right. Magandang umaga. Good morning. March 31st, Resurrection Sunday. Magandang alas 8 ng umaga, 8 a.m. Dito tayo sa festival Philinvest Alabang. So the palms. So slight climb. Let's read out the altitude and elevation. 68 altitude or elevation, 68 meters above sea level. Gradient is 3.3. .2 3 ang gradient natin. We are on the first gear at the front, fourth gear at the back. So easy pedaling lang tayo. On the left is Palms Country Club. Ayan. So elevation is 68, gradient. So pababa na tayo. Morning. Ito pababa na tayo. Speed 20.5, 23 kilometers per hour. 26, hindi na tayo pumipidal. 27.8, 30.3, yun, 28.8. So konti lang ang tao ngayon. Malamang most of them are in the provinces because of the Holy Week holidays since Wednesday. Ayan. Next, we're going to tackle the climb towards our IPM. Second gear at the front, fourth gear at the back. Set up natin mamaya para sa easy gears. Ayan. We are changing the bike computer display so that we can see yung ating elevation and gradient. Third gear at the back, so that's 24 teeth. First gear at the front, granny gear, sabi nga nila. Elevation 64, gradient 2.1, 2.7, 4.4 gradient. 5.6. (7.2) gradient. 67 elevation. 69. Yan, up ahead is RITM. Pero hindi na tayo tutuloy dyan. We're turning back. Yan, kita sa video yung off-road trail. Hindi tayo magte-trail ngayon at another day. Ang speed natin. Turning left. Okay, wala yung mga high-end cars. Usually Sunday andito sila nakapark sa no parking zone. So we're going back. Another approach sa climb up the palms. So it's a sunny day. Kahit alas 8, mainit na yung araw. Okay, this is a shady morning. So ayan, pinati natin ang mga pedal. Good that everybody has a helmet. Pero may mga studies, may debate regarding helmet use. Pero that's another day. Right now, huwag tayo mag-debate sa helmet. Kung may helmet ka, mag-helmet. It's for your safety. So 68, 69 elevation, gradient 3.1. We have a mix of runners, dog walkers, cyclists. So we are on our second gear. At the back, 28 teeth, and then at the front is pag-granny gear tayo. (70) altitude, elevation 70 meters above sea level, gradient 4.3. So let's give a wide berth dun sa mga counterflow runners. Ayaw natin sumabit yung handlebars natin, yung right handlebars natin sa kanila. Better be safe. 69. Okay, yun ang ating palms RITM climb. So ito, pababa na tayo, negative 22.4 ang elevation or gradient pala. Altitude is 68, 67. All right. Okay, that's the video. See you next time.